Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my last vacation. The last year I visited Cartagena. It is a beautiful city with amazing beach and historic places. I stayed in a comfortable hotel near the beach. The hotel had a swimming pool and the service was very good. During my vacation, I visited some famous tourist place like Castillo San Felipe, the old city, and Plaza de Bolivar. These places were very interesting because I learned a lot about history. I also went to Playa Blanca and Boca Grande Beach, where I enjoyed the sun and the sea. While I was swimming in the ocean, my friends were talking for and enjoying the view. At the same time, many tourists were walking around and relaxed on the beach. I was very happy and excited moment. I also tried delicious local food. I ate seafood, arepas, and drank fresh fruit juice. My favorite restaurant was La Cevicheria because the food was amazing. During the trip, I used some travel expression. For example, I check in the hotel when I arrive in the lookout for a good restaurant near my location. I also ask people for information like, can you tell me where the best beach are? In general, I had an incredible vacation. I relaxed, learned new things, and enjoyed every moment. It was a wonderful experience that I will always remember. Thank you for listening.